Bondi to serve as Attorney General is expected to clear the Senate Judiciary Committee today. Bondi is the former Attorney General of Florida. Some employees of the federal government are being offered what the Trump administration calls deferred resignations if they agree to leave their jobs by the end of September. Here's NPR's Andrea Hsu.
The offer came in an email with the subject line, "Fork in the Road." It started by summing up the major changes that the Trump administration is bringing to the federal workforce, including an end to telework and a downsizing of agencies. Then it laid out a choice for federal workers. Those who want to resign can offer their resignation before February 6th, be put on administrative leave, and keep their full pay and benefits through the end of September. Those who want to stay were told, quote, "We cannot give you full assurance regarding the certainty of your position." The email was sent to most of the civilian workforce. Some exceptions include post office employees and people doing immigration enforcement and national security. Andrea Hsu, NPR News, Washington.
This is NPR News from Washington.
Live from WABE News in Atlanta. Good morning, I'm Lisa Rayam. It is 9:31. Metro Atlanta school systems are trying to reassure parents and address how they will handle immigration law enforcement in schools. WABE's Emily Wu Pearson has more for us.
Atlanta Public Schools, DeKalb County Public Schools, and Gwinnett County Public Schools have released statements saying they are monitoring the situation after federal agencies worked to arrest migrants in the area over the weekend. This comes after the Trump administration removed a Biden-era protection preventing immigration officials from operating in churches, schools, and hospitals. Each school system reiterated all children are entitled to a public education regardless of citizenship, and immigration status is private student information. The systems emphasized school protocol regarding visitors will not change, and access to immigration information is prohibited without a court order. DeKalb County Schools added if federal immigration officials show up at schools, school law enforcement will be called to monitor the interaction. Emily Wu Pearson, WABE News.
An effort to transform South Downtown is underway, including a new Atlanta Tech Village meant to attract entrepreneurs and small businesses. And for the people who already set up shop there decades ago, hopes are pretty high today.
So anytime you are redeveloping and not displacing the inhabitants, we count it a win-win.
We're going to have more on that story coming up in about 15 minutes. Julian Virgin reports. One last look at traffic this hour. In Smyrna, an accident is blocking the right shoulder. This is I-85 northbound at Cobb Parkway. One in Dunwoody, I-25 westbound at North Peachtree Road. And in Brookhaven, this one in the clearing stages, I-85 southbound at Claremont Road. Coming up, news from the BBC. And then later, all the day's business